Hi guys, welcome back to the session. So I have a couple of people have joined the session. Let's start with their uh, introduction and then discussion, and then we'll continue our class. So who are all joined recently? Place folks. Mallikarjun is there. Vishant is there, right?
Yes, I'm there.
Yes.
Vishant is there, and Satvik is there. Karthik is
Yes, I'm there.
yeah, cool. Karthik is joining. He's driving, I guess. Okay, cool. I will go ahead with Vishant first, and then I'll come back to Satvik, and then I'll come back to Mallikarjun. Yes, Vishant, you can go ahead and speak.
Yeah, hi. Hi, everyone. My name is Vishant. I am from Karnataka. I have completed my engineering graduation in 2018. Before joining the QA Circle, I completed my course in a manual testing, Java, Selenium, and API from the another institute. But I did not get a job there. Let, later, me and my friend met a Baswa sir and decided to join the QA circle. After joining the QA circle, my learning is completely changed. The team is a groomed me very well and gave me a real-time practical knowledge. And also, they assigned me a mentor. His name is a Karthik. He taught me very clearly each topics and supported me lot. I practice as per his suggestion. I practiced the programming concept every day, and also gave the mock interviews every day. And also he helped me resume preparation, which really improved my confidence. Because of this training and regular practice, I cracked the interview very soon, and I got a placed with a 11 LPA package. I am very thankful to Baswa sir and Karthik and all the QA circle team, and my suggestion is to all of you is follow their guidance and practice regularly, give the mock interviews, stay consistent, you will get a good opportunity. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishant. Yeah, you can be on mute. I'll come back to Satvik. Yeah,
Yeah,
Satvik.
sir. Yeah, sir. First of all, thank you so much for guiding me throughout this process and getting me a job, sir. And I'm very thankful for that. And for everyone like who's in the class today, so I'll introduce myself. Myself, Satik Shetty BP. I'm from Coorg, and I'm at the same place where you are guys are today. Before when I joined QA Circle, so even same with me also. Even so, once I completed my engineering and I joined Infosys, and after that, I just quit my job and I took a break. And after that, it was very difficult for me to get a job. And one of my friends suggested QA Circle, and right after that, I joined QA Circle. And like I was thinking, like whether it will work out or not. And once I joined the class, like you guys, and once Basava sir gave me the introduction of everything, so yeah, everything went on. And after that, like we used to like learn all the concepts regularly, and that's that's the process what we follow in QA Circle. And we used to do presentations every day. This all helped me a lot to like crack a job. So recently I got placed into DMART as a senior industry engineer, and with a 6.8 lakhs LPA. And I'm very thankful for that, for Basava sir, for helping with the, helping me with the process. And for you all, what I wish to say is like I'm standing here today like as someone who like who was just a learner in software testing, confused about requirements, and nervous about interviews. And I was unsure whether I was industry ready or like that. But QA Circle, yeah, they guided me through every process. And like many of you, like I knew only definitions, and I didn't know the like real concepts, like how to analyze bugs and all those things. And that changed when I joined this testing academy, QA Circle. And from day one also, like our sir made us like I think very clear, like testing is not nothing like it's not about memorizing concepts. It's about mindset, like practice and communication. You should practice every day, attend classes every day, and like give presentations every day. So if you keep on with this process only, you can like crack a job. So once you're ready with all these things, like placement is not such a big thing. If you're ready with all the concepts, and if you attend presentations daily and give interviews daily, like mock interviews, you will definitely crack a job very soon. And so that's my story. And thank you so much, everyone, for giving me this opportunity to like tell me about myself. And thank you, Basava sir and Academy. And one more thing was like I got a very good mentor called Ruchi and Sanat. Even they helped me a lot. So when I had doubts, I used to ask them and I used to call them. They used to respond like regularly. They were like if somebody was in their place, they would have not picked my call and they would have not helped me a lot. But these guys, whenever I called them, whenever I asked doubts, they definitely helped me. And even Basava sir, whenever I called him, he definitely praised me. And actually, before getting this job, I actually gave almost 15 to 20 interviews. And every time when I called sir, he said, yeah, give your best, do it. You'll definitely get a job. And finally, I'm here. I got a job recently. That's 2 months back. And I'm very thankful to Basava sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Satvik. I'll go ahead with the Mallikarjuna.
Sure. Thank you, sir. And first of all, I would like to thank you and your entire team for giving me this opportunity to share my experience with the new coming aspirants. So I'm Mallikarjun. So I am from Bellary. I have done my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from 2016. So I got to know about the QA Circle from one of my friends. So I joined the academy hoping for the better career. And I also got the better mentors like you and your team, especially with the Java Selenium, because of, especially the Java concepts and all. And I started listening to the classes in a focused manner and practicing the concepts in my own time and practicing the programs also, like the basic Java programs that are majorly asked in an interview these days, especially for estate roles. And coming also like you, like the Satvik also, he focused on the communication part. Like communication part becomes a major role in the interview process these days. So I was also participating in the presentations. So whenever I used to get the time, I used to focus on communication part also, because that gives an edge. Whenever we are lacking in some concept, then the communication gives us an edge with respect to the other candidates in an interview. Because I believe that because even I got placed into one of the companies with 10 LPA. So there I observed that the other candidates who had come, the communication was a bit lacking. So I think that edge gave me, today I'm placed because of that. So that's what I believe in. And also the concepts, yes, the academy gives a better push in terms of learning or in terms of explaining the concepts. But ultimately, the 50% has to come from your efforts. Basically, you'll have to push yourself to learn, to repeat, to communicate it better. It's not about knowing, but it's about expressing how exactly you will express everything that you know in a fraction of minutes in an interview. So maybe you can use the help of the ChatGPT or other AI tools, because I extensively used ChatGPT in order to customize my answers in an interview, because we all have a different skill sets. So we cannot directly buy at the answers and tell in the interview. It has to look like a natural form. And for that sake, we can make help use of the AI tools. And also the presentation part, like Satvik was still telling, the presentation becomes an important thing, because that will ultimately help you in destroying your fear in the interview. Like usually in the initial days, there is a lot of fear in taking up the interviews itself, because what we think as aspirant is like we'll finish the concepts first and then we'll start giving the interview. But that doesn't work, because the concepts never finish. So it has to be like a half cooked only, but still you will have to figure it out and tell in a better way in the interview. So for that sake, the presentation part becomes interview. And also you can take help of your mentors. Like I used to ask the questions, whatever I used to get in my mind. I never hesitated to ask the question, and they're also very supportive. And Basava also, like I used to call him a lot and trouble him, but yet he was very supportive and very helpful. So yeah, I want to thank the academy, and I want to thank all the mentors there. And yes, this is what my experience. But if I have a suggestion for you all guys, then we'll have to focus on the class, be thorough with your communication, and do your self-exploration on the topics. So that's it. These three things, if you are able to do it perfectly, then it's matter of 2 or 3 months. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mallikarjun. So I'll go ahead with Karthik. Karthik has joined now, I guess. Karthik,
Yeah. Hi.
hey,
Hi,
hi.
sir.
Hey, hi. Yeah,
Uh,
please go ahead.
very, Thank you for giving this opportunity.
I guess there is a
Thank
network
you.
issue. Check once.
I'm audible now?
Yes, you're audible now. It's better.
Yeah. Sorry. Thank you for this opportunity to share my experience, which I had with the circle. And my name is Karthik. So I'm an engineering graduate. So I completed my engineering uh, in NC College of Shimoga, that part of mechanical. So after that, after my graduation, I working as a design engineer. So for 1 year. After that, with my brother suggested me to join this academy. So I joined, and recently I got it a client. So from 2 months, so
I
to
guess
this academy.
there's a network issue, Karthik. It's fine. No problem. I guess, yeah, he's traveling. So I requested him to join. That's fine. So you can go back and check, like all of you, you can check in Instagram, his profile. You can see his package. I guess, Karthik, yeah, you can carry on. I guess you're traveling. So we are not able to hear properly. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Good. Thank you. Thank you for the joining. Yeah. Okay. Happy
Thank you.
joining.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, yeah. So, anybody want to talk to them? Anybody want to ask any question to Mallikarjun or Satvik? Good. Shall we ask them to drop?
Guys, please don't hesitate. If you have any like questions, just ask us. Even like I was in the same like place where you guys are looking forward at the academy. So if you have any questions, you can ask me and you can call me anytime and ask me because
Yes,
even
Pawan
same.
has raised the hand, Satvik. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pawan, yeah, you can speak.
Hello, hi, sir. Yeah. Actually, no. Wanted to know how they will prepare. How normally from non-IT to IT, like how they prepare notes and everything. I wanted to know.
Yeah, definitely. I tell you with that. So see, you have joined the you have joined the right academy. So they'll guide you with the entire process, like how to prepare notes. Even they'll help you with preparing notes also. Even about the like resume preparation, interviews, everything they'll like, help you with that. So please go on with the course, and once you complete it, you can see once you finish the course, you can call me anytime and ask me like or like what like how should the resume be, and even Basavar sir, he'll also guide you with everything. Just go with the course and just finish it off. That's my suggestion for you. Rather than thinking about the outcome, first just focus on process now. Focus on the process. Like give your best. Attend the classes regularly. Attend presentations regularly, and give mock interviews to your mentors. So you will definitely like you'll get to know everything.
Okay.
Okay.
Anything else?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Any other questions? Okay, cool. We can continue our session. Thank you, Satvik,
Thank you, sir.
Vishant, Mallikarjun, and Karthik for
Okay,
joining.
thank you, sir.
Yeah, you guys can drop.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, cool. Let's continue our session. Okay, so you can go back and check their profile. So because it's not a pre-scripted program, so they have got placed and they came here and they discussed. Okay, let's come back to our topic where we have stopped. Yesterday, okay, let me stop my camera just to save the bandwidth. I hope I'm audible to all of you, right?
Yes, yes.
That's perfect. Okay, so yesterday we have discussed about the course content and then about our training institute, and then we discussed about the like how to try as an experienced candidate, and then who can take up this program, and then what could be the salary you can expect, and what is a market trend. We have not seen this. Okay. I hope my screen is visible or it's a blank.
It's blank, sir. Actually.
Blank, right? Okay, just a second.
Yeah.
Something went wrong. I'll stop sharing. I'm sharing it now. Is it visible? Visible to all of you? All of you
Yes,
have
yes, yes.
my
Sir.
screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the market trend for these jobs? Let's go back and check. Wait, yeah. Let's say SDET. I'm just saying SDET. I'm not saying Java or Python or Playwright. Okay, so I'm just telling SDET. I mean, that's a common across. SDET job openings, jobs. Okay, you can see that approximately there are so many jobs. Okay, SDET jobs in Bangalore. Let's say you can see many openings. We have it. Okay, for SDETs. Okay, so every company will be hiring SDET they're mentioning here, or else automation engineer. So SDET stands for software development engineer in test. That is what they have written here. SDET means you will be good at coding and you will be doing a testing. You are not going to do the development at all. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, so these are all the SDET open positions, and they're ready to pay good packages. Okay, then we'll come back here. And you can see here, okay, Incha Hire is also one of the platform where they focus on SDETs. Okay, you can plan here and you can go ahead and you can apply for the jobs. And then similarly for LinkedIn, okay, many people will reach out to you through that. Also, you can go ahead and apply for the jobs. Okay, SDETs. There are so many openings we have. So that is about the job market trend. And if you're an experienced fellow, you yourself will receive a call if you prepare properly an SDET or manual mobile API. For manual mobile API, as you saw, right, Satvik has attended more than 15 interviews. He could not crack, and 16th interview he cracked
Sir,
it. Hello? Hello?
sir, screen is not okay, sir. No, okay, sir.
Okay, I guess something is wrong. Okay, let me check the network speed. Speed test. It's good bandwidth. Let me stop sharing. I'll rejoin the call. You guys stay here. I'll just have joined back. I'm sharing my entire screen. Okay, perfect. Now it's fine, right? Visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we saw that market trend. Okay, so you yourself will, as I was mentioning, right? If you are good at Java SDET or Python SDET, okay, so definitely you will receive minimum 6 to 7 calls in a week. 6 to 7 calls, and you need only one job. You don't need 100 calls. If you prepare properly, there are people they cracked it in first round or in second round, second interview itself. So if you're trying for manual mobile API, average you can receive in a week, you will receive around 3 to 4 calls manual mobile API. In a month, approximately, you can expect around 10 to 15 calls. Sometimes when 20 also it goes. Okay, so that is a market trend, which I have seen from my past experience where people got placed, right? Okay, so how QS Circle is different from other training institute? First thing is it's completely online. Okay, that's one thing. And I'm able to run this institute successfully from past 4.5 years without any problem. Okay, and all the trainers are accessible to the students. So means whenever you have a problem, you can always reach out. Trainers are available whenever you have any doubt or any question you want to ask. Now it's visible, right? Blanca. Hello.
It's visible, sir.
Visible, right? Okay, I'm seeing here blank. That's why
Yes, sir.
I just asked. Okay, whatever I'm typing here, you're able to see, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So all trainers
yes.
are available, and okay, we have a WhatsApp group, dedicated WhatsApp group for your particular batch, where you can put your queries. Okay, instead of sending a message to the individual trainer, you can put a question. This question I have, I want you to clarify. So that others also will get to know that, okay, this question somebody has asked. Okay, so when they post the answer, that will be reached to all the students. That's one thing. And we're going to
Now
cover,
is blank, sir.
now it's Blanca.
Now okay, sir.
Okay,
Now
so
okay, sir.
I guess you have a network issue. Now just check. Maybe okay, if you have less bandwidth also, it might happen like that sometimes. Okay. So all trainers are available, and then the training content, I can say the course content, it's not kind of a mugged up. We're going to teach from the real time whatever we are doing in the real in the job, regular job, so that you will be also able to implement it in your project when we are teaching real time. And after getting a job also, you don't face problem. The tools which we are covering, these are all the market demanded tools. You go to any companies, okay, in MNC, it's good to learn the process. You'll not learn many things. Still, many of my friends who got a job in TCS, Accenture, they know only one particular skill. They are kind of stuck. They don't want to, they're in the comfort zone. If they come out, they'll not be able to survive. They're working from past 8 years in TCS, Accenture, in Capgemini. Okay, because they have not exposed to the tools and the technology. If they're doing manual testing, only manual testing they
Sir,
know.
now blank, sir.
Others,
So no
Sir,
issue.
now
No, sir.
No issues.
It's visible.
No issue.
I guess Vani
No,
rejoined.
no
Vani
issues.
rejoined. Yeah.
Sir, I don't know.
Maybe you can rejoin.
Blank only, sir. Okay, sir.
You can rejoin. It means exit and rejoin. So
Okay.
when you have many tools and technology, right? So the market also will receive you in a good manner, and they'll pay you a good package. So that is a difference from other training institute. And in terms of placement, okay, we are not a big training institute, first thing. Okay, we're a small training institute. Okay, I don't want to do a big marketing. Okay, even I can put a money of 50,000 rupees in the Instagram account, and I can run the ads. Okay, I'll get 10,000 leads. I don't have a time to call each one of them. Okay, I only receive a call who are really interested, and I'll add them to the group so that they'll study, and it's an equal effort. Even I'm also putting 100% effort, even they'll also put 100% effort. It's a win-win situation. They also want to get a job. It's my passion, and I will also be updated in the industry, and I'll be teaching whatever I have worked on. Okay, so that is how it's a mutual understanding, and we are able to place the candidates. And the training is taken care by me. The entire training team will be handled by me, and even placement team also works close with me. And I know what kind of requirement they are bringing, whether it is suitable to our candidates. If they're not bringing, I know how to tight them to get the more requirements. So that is the reason I'm able to help you with the placement. Okay. And about the trainers, as I mentioned, all the trainers are working professionals. Nobody is a full-time trainer here. So that is the reason we keep a classes in the morning or in the night, because in the morning we take class and we get out to, like, we'll go to the office. Night, some fellows, okay, see, for me, morning is comfortable because night the calls will be extending. But for other trainers, some of them, they log in early 9 a.m. and they log out at 6:30 or 7. So they are free after 8. So that's the reason we kept a class at 9:30. So they'll take a class from 9:30 to 11. So that is about the trainers. And then class timing is already clear. The presentation, definitely we're going to start. That we'll discuss once we complete some portion, then we'll start. How to access the class if I would have missed? Every class will be recorded. Every class will be recorded. If you miss it, you can access it. That is not a problem. That will be shared to each one of you, will be recorded. And if you miss it, you can go back and watch. That will be uploaded every day at 11 a.m. Okay. How to join the class? Okay, so there will be a Google Meeting link which I have shared. So after this demo, you will receive a separate email. Who are all, like, already you have filled it. I consider as a registered registration, and then once again tomorrow you'll receive a call from my end. So just a confirmation call. So who are all interested, I'll mark them, and then the further process, like you can make a payment and then you can continue the classes. So there will be a separate group we're going to create. So this demo group will be dissolved by maybe I can say that by 31st or 1st, I'm going to dissolve this group. People who are all interested, okay, so you can put a message to me personally on the number which I mentioned in the group, 911-063, as I mentioned, right? So this is my number, 911-063-775. You can put a personal message saying that I am interested, I want to join. So I consider it as a confirmation, and then I keep it in the separate group. So I'm going to dissolve this group, whatever we have it now. That group will be dissolved on 1st of January, and then I'm going to create a separate group where I'm adding a people who are interested and who are going to make a payment. I'm going to add to them, and we'll continue our regular classes in that particular group. So there I'll guide you how to join the class daily, how to access the recordings, how to access the class notes, how to access the placement and presentation. Everything we'll discuss there. Okay, so this is all about what we wanted to discuss. Now let's come back to the software development life cycle, actual software testing. We're going to start. Okay, before that, anybody want to ask any question? Anybody want to ask any question? All good? Good to go? Okay, cool. So software development life cycle. So we all know that, okay, we're all using the various applications. Let's take, say, Flipkart. And we're all using a Nykaa application. Okay. Look at here. In this Nykaa, you tell me how many products I have in the bag. Do I have any items in the bag?
No. No, sir.
Do you have any items in the bag? Others?
No, sir.
Silent.
No,
Okay.
No.
Okay, now I'll go back. Okay, let me go back, and I want to buy a lipstick to my wife. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's say shades. Let me choose a different shades. Okay, let's say some shades. Okay, then I want to add it to the bag. What is the price here? 849. I'm adding it to the bag. Perfect. How many products I added to the bag?
Just only
One product. Okay, again I'll go to the another lipstick. Okay, here I'll preview the shade. I'll just choose any one, and then again I'll add it to the bag. What is the price?
375.
Sir, it's not
375.
shading. Screen is not shading.
This one, 375, right? Okay, I'm just adding it to the bag. Now, how many products I added to the bag?
Just
2 products.
2 products. Okay, let's go back and see here. How many products I have? Answer.
2 products.
2 products. Okay, look at the quantity. We have added one only, right? Correct, huh?
Yeah, correct.
Yes.
Okay, and price is also correct, right?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes. Grand total they've given here. Shipping and platform fees they've added here. That's fine. Okay. Now, we'll come back. How many it is showing here?
2.
I'll go back here. I'll delete this. I'll delete this. How many I have in the bag?
0. 0.
0.
How many?
0.
See that?
But
Zero.
it's showing 2.
2.
This is only bug.
It's showing 2.
This is only defect. This is what you need to test. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is only software testing. One word answer. Clear, huh? Live example.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is only you need to test. That is why they're paying you salary 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs. This is manual you're doing. Same way, if you write a code, that code will take care of doing this testing. That is automation. That is the only difference. Nothing is there apart from that. Click, check, test. That's it. For 20 years also, you'll be doing the same job. Once you cross 15 years, you'll become a manager. You'll be managing the people. You will not get much technical. Initially, some 10 to 12 years, you might be working in the technical stuff. Okay. So this is about the software testing. And then how they have built this software. It has got its own architecture, front end, back end, middleware. So there is a separate architect who's going to design that. Okay. And once they have done a designing, so they have to choose which model are we going to adopt, whether are we going to use a agile methodology, like means we have to follow certain rules and regulations to meet the deadline. Because when you want to construct your house, directly you will go and construct 10 floor in one day itself. Will you do that?
No, sir.
Can you tell me what are the basic procedure you'll do before constructing your house? What will you do?
First, it's a foundation.
Okay, foundation.
Later, we'll start with the brickwork.
Okay, I want to construct.
Planning.
Just listen my question. I want to construct a house, 4-floor building. Okay. So what are all the basic background work and necessities are there? Okay, requirements. We list one by one. Go ahead. House
Site survey.
Okay, let's say house construction. Okay. First thing is vitamin M. What is this vitamin M?
Money.
Money. Okay.
Money.
Next.
Materials.
Materials, raw materials, I'll say. Which includes sand, iron, bricks, whatever that bending wire, whatever it requires, raw materials. Okay, next. Sand, whatever.
Machineries. Machineries.
Okay, machinery. So you want to say, okay. Okay, machineries. Okay, next.
Manpower.
Okay, manpower. Laborers or manpower. Okay, fine. Next.
I think these are all the basic resource management required for this house construction.
Okay, land, I'll say. Okay. So you need one fellow who can design your dream home. Who's that fellow?
Civil engineer.
Civil engineer. In that,
Engineer.
I'll say first architect, I'll say. Architect. And there's one more separate. Okay, architect is different, civil engineer is different. The person who done the, like, who's going to do the, like, even civil engineers.
Designer, plant designer, civil designer.
Designers are different, civil designers, okay.
Site
And civil
engineers.
engineers, site
Civil
engineer,
engineers.
site engineer, okay, who can take care of that site till the handover, construction to till the handover of that house, okay. Then
Project management engineer.
maybe some management team is required, a contractor, if you're giving. So all these things are basic necessity, and you have a proper planning. Okay, so these many days curing should happen, and these many days that whenever we have to dig the like when we dig the foundation, so these many days we have to keep the all the things, whatever it might be. You have that certain deadlines and time also, time limit, right? Same way in software development life cycle also, we follow that. Okay, we don't build that entire software in one day. You know, right? When WhatsApp came, which year WhatsApp has released? You know that? WhatsApp has released. As per your knowledge, from when you started using WhatsApp? Anybody?
2013.
15.
Okay, good. When it became popular? 2000?
15 or 16.
12.
Okay, WhatsApp
Introduced.
launch date
2019.
2000. Globally,
Sorry,
it is launched.
2009. 2009.
Started following 2010, but when I was studying, as per my knowledge, people started using, but when we were almost 2012-13, slowly it becomes popular. 2012-13, as per my knowledge, 2012-13. But till today, WhatsApp updates you are all receiving, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes,
They
sir.
are making a lot of changes, payment integrations, status. Earlier, when they launched, that time only the normal chat message. There was no blue tick mark. Then slowly they implemented blue tick mark, gray tick mark, and then status, blocking the status, and then you can you can visible only to the particular people, and then WhatsApp business account. Means it's a product. WhatsApp itself is a product, and they're trying to implement the lot of changes, and they're taking that product to the next level over the period of time. So who are all working in that project? It might be a developer, it might be a tester. They'll not lose the job. It's a product. Continuously they need engineers unless they change a job because they want to go for a better opportunity, better package. If you stay in one company for more than 10 years, okay, you'll become a slave of that particular project. You will not get a proper growth. People will not recognize you. Every 3 years, you have to change a company. Then you'll get a very good salary hike and people will recognize, even though, okay, if you work in the same company, people will not recognize you. Okay, they'll hire a one person from extra with the same skill set, whatever you have, they'll pay more package to them, but they'll not give it to you. So that is the reason every 3 years or 2.5 years, once you complete, get out from that company, and water should be keep on flowing from one place to another place, right? That is where your price is also changes. Otherwise, you'll be getting only 10%, 12% hike, which is not worth. And after 2 to 2.5 years or 3 years, once you complete, never stay for hike. Okay, I'm going to get a good hike next 3 months. After that, I'm planning to change. Never keep such kind of things in your mind. When you decided, because when you jump, immediately you can expect, for example, if you're drawing 10 lakhs, you have worked for 3 years. When you switch, you can expect 15 to 16 lakh. Okay, even 18 lakhs also they'll pay. But if you work in the same company, just for hike, 10% hike they'll give. 10 lakhs, 10% hike is approximately what? 1 lakh. Huh? So you get 11 lakh. So you wasted 3.5 months, 4 months there. So instead of that, give a try. If you get a good job, get out from that. And you can demand them also. I'm about to receive a hike, but still I'm okay to join here if I get a good package. So that is how you have to plan. Okay, cool. So I'll stop it today here. So we'll continue our regular topic, the software development life cycle, from 5th of January. 5th of January, we're going to continue the class. So who are all interested? Okay, so people almost already filled the form. Okay, so but tomorrow I'll give a call. Before that, if you're interested, you can put a message to me to this number. I consider it, I'll tick mark them, and then I can do the follow. So we'll see you on 5th of January. Okay, anybody want to ask any question? Let's stop it now. I'll stop the recording. Okay, enjoy the new year.